Say something.
B-movie?
Yeah.
B-movie? What?
You like Jack?
You like Jack?
Okay, so it's the XP Cloud here. Our friend Nick got a little trouble in his laptop, so we need to replace the screen. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. The house.
Yeah.
Get on it. Alright, so good.
So we'll teach you all how to replace a laptop screen. So first, of course, you turn the laptop off. Then you need to remove the battery pack on the back, so like, you know, nothing gets electrocuted or anything. So it's out. So it might be different on other laptops, but on this one, you gotta remove these bezels. There's two here, which have like screws that connect the casing over the monitor itself. So get yourself something thin, like maybe a sharp object or this tiny screwdriver. Try to like remove the bezel. It may take a little bit of fidgeting. Alright, I guess I'll try this.
Tommy's the surgeon over here.
Okay, so we remove the bezels and the screws are exposed.
Didn't you say I don't speak sushi? I don't know how to.
Now I just take a screwdriver and take them out. Once the screws are unscrewed, you need to find somewhere in the little frame that you can like push it open, and then so we cracked open the frame at this bottom part after we unscrewed everything, and you gotta slowly work your way up and unhinge the entire frame. Just be careful you don't crack the plastic. It'll come out. Maybe like pull them out or something. Yeah, like that. Okay.
There you go.
Holy smokes. Can you just take it out now?
Just
pop it on.
Alright, then
there's a lot more.
there's a couple more mounting screws on the bracket that we'll have to take off. This one looks to have 4, I think. Alright, now the screen should come off and we just be able to see the plug it's connected by.
Where's the this?
This is some heavy duty Scotch tape.
Sometimes, dude. Sometimes. That's the most difficult part of the whole thing.
Okay, now we just gotta... There we go.
I'm taking a video of his camera.
So now you
turn
see
the camera around.
the screen is completely detached. And a replacement laptop screen. After you dismantle the laptop, the broken screen itself, you can find the model number on the back, and then you can Google it and maybe find it on Amazon or at your local tech store like MicroCenter or Best Buy. Laptopscreen.com also has a lot of replacement screens you could order.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
After, just make sure that the video signal connector is the same as the part you have. So in this case, it's a 30-pin LED socket. And we're about to go call MicroCenter and see if they have the same socket for their replacement screen. Yeah, Nathan.
I don't know, man. I think it's called MicroCenter, the best place to get it. Don't waste your money on Best Buy because this place is way better.
Of course.
That's what I hear. See, we got your extra computer piece. This one costs $500.
Yeah.
Like,
Look at this beast of a computer right here.
Yeah, the
You
case
pay
is-
extra for the lines.
Yeah, no, like the computer's probably on like $700, but the case makes up.
The screen is bigger than you, Zion.
That's pretty massive.
So we're at MicroCenter and we found a equivalent screen, 15.6 inch if the camera would focus. Glossy screen, 30-pin connector, resolution 1366 times 768. It's like you can't even see the insides. There's stuff in there. What game are you playing, Nathan?
Playing art. You want to see my beauty?
No thanks. So this is the new screen. See, shiny, very new, no cracks. And here's a little, here's a socket, and we need to connect it to this part, which is going to be a little tricky. I'm going to have to put it face down like this, and then reattach it. Alright, so it's in. Just close it down with that tape. So it's attached, it's taped down, and we're gonna just put it back and align it with these screw holes.
Nothing.
Screw it back in.
Look, man, I
So
gotta
let's
tell.
screw these 4 screws back in and lock the monitor in place.
And it's that easy, folks.
I wouldn't say it's easy, but
I mean, for Tommy.
Oh, his head is on backwards, dude. Come on.
Wait, no. Wait, you gotta be like. Wait, it's gotta. Wait, give me a give me a second chance, please. Second chance.
You lost your screen time.
No.
it's all screwed in. Before we put the frame back on, we're gonna plug the battery in and test it, make sure the screen works. Alright.
Battery.
Get this sucker back in there.
It's a brand new screen.
But does it work though?
But can it
I
blend?
don't see how it
Let's see.
doesn't work.
And we just gotta wait for it to load up and stuff. There we go. Lights up just fine. What do you think, Nick?
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Now we just gotta figure out how to put the frame back on, get these little bezels in, and we'll be good. Screws are in place, the bezel's back. Say that's a job completed. Nice job.
Okay.
Now you guys go get to see a video of Nathan climbing into a jungle gym.
Film this video. Yeah.
Oh shit. As always, thanks for watching our video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of our content. Check out some of our videos here in the related videos box and down in the description below. Be sure to check out our website and social media. And hope to see you again soon.